Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to insert the table of contents in a Google Docs. I have here an example of a document. The title is Southeast Asian Countries. We have here the subtitles Southeast Asian Map, Table 1 List of Southeast Asian Countries, South and Southeast Asian Backgrounds. So how are we going to insert the table of contents in a Google document? Simply just click Insert in your Google tab, Insert, and then look for Table of Contents. Here you have two choices, whether to choose with page number or with blue links. The difference between these two is that if you're going to click the with page number, it will just show what page number is the content you are looking for. However, if you click this with blue links, it will directly help you find help you find the content right away if you click the links. Okay, so this time we will choose blue links. Okay, so as you can see here, you have update of table of contents. Before anything else, let us start with this. Let us start inserting a table of contents by highlighting the title. This is the main title actually. And then you click heading 1. For the subtitles, you click heading 2. Okay, this one is also heading 2, and this one heading 2. Okay, so to see, we just click this refresh button to update the table of contents, and there you have it. You have now a table of contents. You can write here table of contents. Okay, and then you can edit it as long as you want. Okay, and it's easy. So if you click this Southeast Asian background, there you go. It automatically direct you to the content you wanted to go. So I hope you learned something, and thank you for listening.